Welcome to add e-learning to your Joomla website with OSCampus. My name is Jim Heil. I am the course instructor and the owner and operator of $10logo.com. This lesson is our course outline, so we'll be going over the 11 lessons in this course. Lesson 1 is an introduction to myself, my company, $10 Logo. We will be covering our tutorial services as well as our logo design and consultation services. We'll also be looking at how we source out interesting software that we might want to teach on, and also taking recommendations from people like you. Lesson number 2 is an introduction to Joomlashack. They are also the owners and operators of OS Training, which is a great tutorial service. We will be covering specifically their learning management extension, OSCampus, but they also offer several templates and other extensions. They do have a yearly subscription service. OSCampus was the reason I signed up, so we will be going over that. Lesson 3 is the prerequisites for this course. This is not a beginner course. You should know how to install and configure Joomla, have a Joomla website, some web hosting. You can also download Joomla and have it function on a local server. So we're going to be going over some other extensions that you probably should have on your Joomla site before participating in this course, as well as your Joomlashack subscription you will need for using the OSCampus extension. Lesson 4 is an overview of our finished project. I have implemented OSCampus to meet my own needs, so I'm not doing everything potentially possible with it, and see if it meets your project needs. If there's something else you want done, you can always write to Joomlashack and see if it's possible. Lesson 5 is OSCampus right for you. So here is where we're going to be looking at some different extensions as well that I've tried, as well as I will direct you to another Joomla instructor who teaches on a different extension that might be a better fit for me for that matter. So here's where we're looking at that. I do recommend that you watch over this video before you make any commitment, because I don't actually believe OSCampus is the best functioning learning management system out there for the price you pay for it. But it might be the right fit for you, and this is where we're starting, so we'll give it a shot. Lesson 6 is installing and configuring OSCampus on your Joomla website. This is very basic. It's just downloading OSCampus from Joomlashack. You will need a subscription for this extension. There is no free version. And installing it and doing some simple configurations on your site. Lesson 7 is adding instructors, pathways, and classes. 3 very basic things, but you do need to have these set up before you start putting up your own content for your courses. Lesson 8 is adding text and video lessons. This is important because your courses will not show up until they have some content. So we will just be doing some placeholder text and some very basic video lessons to fill in until your course content is completed. But at least your courses will show up, and I'll show you how to do this in Lesson 8. Lesson 9 is creating quizzes. This will be short answer, multiple choice, and also grading the quizzes automatically. So we'll be doing that in Lesson 9. And Lesson 10 is creating certificates, so your students can download their certificate after they're done their course and show off their new skills. And lesson number 11 is adding a subscription with RD Subscriptions. The subscription service that OSCampus or Joomlashack recommends is also another commercial extension. They do not have a free version. So with RD Subscription, at least they have a free version for their extension. And we're going to be seeing if these two extensions can work together. And hopefully by the end of this, we should be able to get you up and running with a learning management website, as well as some way to get your clients to pay for your services. So there you go. There's the 11 lessons in our course. Take a quick look at this before we fade out. If you have any questions, you can always email me at jim@10logo.com. And I hope to see you in the next lesson. Peace out.